Hello, good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. So, this is our second revision class, second revision video of Standard 6 subject Social Science. In our first revision video, we have revised about 3 mark questions. So, in this present lecture, in this present video, we are going to revise 2 mark questions, fill in the blanks, and match the pairs. Okay, so we will get all the concept through this various understanding. So let's start our revision. 2 marks. First, we are going to discuss about 2 marks question and answers. Okay, I hope you are clearly see that different questions on your screen right now. Okay, so 2 marks question. Okay, each has 2 marks. First question: what effect did the sermons of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami have on people? Yes, very simple question. People got new idea from the teachings of Buddha and Mahavira Swami. People gave up first one. What did they give up? People give up some of the rituals, my dear students, and animal violence, and in the yagnas, animals slaughtering going on that time. So they gave up some of the evils like animal slaughtering, and a large number of people became his followers. Second question that we are going to discuss is that in which language did Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami preach? Very easy. So Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami preach in Prakrit and Ardh Mangdi, the language of the common people. Okay, very easy. It is the language of the common people during that time. Okay, two you have to write down: Prakrit and Ardh Mangdi, the language of the common people. Third question, very easy. Which 5 vratas did Mahavir Swami give? First one, vows. The 5 vows given by Mahavir Swami are as follow. Which are they? And it is very simple. First one is ahimsa, and I have given you lots of example, my dear students. Ahimsa means non-violence. Second one is satya, means we have to always take the side of satya. We have to always speak truth. Third one is asteya, means not to steal, and I have given you the different examples in this vows, 5 vratas, different example that I have given you for ahimsa, satya, asteya. Then fourth one is aprarigraha, means non-possessiveness. And the last one is brahmacharya, means celibacy. You have to follow the celibacy to attain the religion. Next question, question number 4. Into how many varnas Hinduism divided in the time of Buddha? So Hinduism was divided, dear students, at that time into 4 varnas like Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra in the time of Gautam Buddha. 2 marks question is going on, my dear students. So you have to write down these 4 varnas. If you write only 2, then I will give you only 1 marks. If you are supposed to write full answer. Next question. Question number 5. What are the 4 Aryan truths explained by Gautam Buddha known as? Very easy. The 4 Aryan truths explained by Gautam Buddha are known as the Buddhist principle or Samyak Darshan. Most important thing, Buddhist principle or Samyak Darshan. Next question. Question number 6. Describe the sources of getting information about the Maurya dynasty. We can get the information about the Mauryan dynasty through this, and there are, first one is Arthashastra. What is there in Arthashastra? That I have given you example by Kautilya. The second one is the book Indica by Megasthenes. The third one is Buddhist text like Deepvansha and Mahavansh. Fourth one is Rudrakshas by Vishakdat. Okay. The fifth one is stones, pillars, caves, stupas, viharas inscribed by the Mauryan emperors. Different things. So these are the sources that you have to write it down. Okay. Just follow this example. Just see that. Next question is also like that. Question number 7. Who planned the well-organized administration of the great Mauryan Empire? And very easy answer. The Chandragupta's chief minister and ardent economist. I have given you lots of information about the chief minister. And who was the chief minister of Chandragupta? And it was the great economist, politician. It was Vishnugupta Chanakya or Kautilya. Planned the well-organized administration of the great Mauryan Empire by dividing into 3 sections. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Which territories list Chandragupta Maurya conquered by defeating the Greek king Seleucus? So Chandragupta Maurya conquered these 4 territories by defeating Greek king Seleucus. And first one is Kabul, that we have first discussed in our first live class. So please do remember Kabul, Kandahar, Herat and Baluchistan. Fourth one is Baluchistan. Next one, number 9. Which basic information is found from Indica, the book written by Megasthenes? Very important question, my dear students. So the important and basic information about the capital of Magad Empire and administration found from Indica. The important and basic information about the capital of Magad Empire. If you want to get information, so from the book you can get the important and basic information about the capital of Magad Empire. Next question. Question number 10. Explain lithosphere. And I have taken almost 2 weeks to explain the different domains of the earth, different spheres of the earth. So first, lithosphere. Explain lithosphere. Litho plus sphere. This means lithosphere. Lithosphere. Litho means land or soil. The upper crust. And I have shown you that video. The upper crust of the earth is known as lithosphere. And it is composed of rocks and other solid matters. So it is called rock spheres or solid spheres. The upper crust of the earth is about 64 to 100 km thick, and it consists of mainly the lighter minerals like aluminium and silica. So these are the main points that I am going to underline it throughout this video. So do watch and observe and write it down, some of the keywords. So you have to write down some of the underlined words, keywords, and that will help you to increase your marks. Okay. The sphere is thinner deep in the deep ocean. Next question. In which way are the dust particles in the atmosphere useful? In which way? So the dust particles in atmosphere straight sunlight in the all direction, and that is why there is no sudden brightness at sunrise and sudden darkness at sunset. Okay, the dust particle in the atmosphere stopped the straight sunlight in the all direction, dear students, and that's why there is no sudden brightness in the morning and no sudden darkness in the evening. So these are the dust particles that are moving around in our atmosphere. And the last question, so it will check, I will check, what do you know about the earth? As per we have discussed about earth, our planet, which are the characteristic about the living organism of the earth, so that you all have to write down in your own words. So as per your own understanding, my dear student, it should be related to the chapter, your answer. Don't write some other things, it should be not considered. Okay, so please do remember. Next question that we are going to discuss is about the fill in the blanks. Question number 2C. Okay, please do remember from the chapter number 1 and 2. From chapter number 5, 6 and 10. Please do remember. First one, the Kshatriyas of Kapilvastu were called. Your answer should be Shakyas. Second one, Gautam Buddha was born in the house of Suddhodana and Maya Devi in the year, you have to write down the year, in the year 566. Next question. The name of Gautam Buddha's son was Rahul. Fourth, sitting under the people tree at, you have to mention the name at which place that I have discussed with you. The people tree at Bodhi Gaya in Bihar, Patna, near the Patna. Gautam Buddha started sadhana. What does it mean that you know sadhana means? Number 5. Gautam Buddha preached 5 Brahmin friends at Sarnath. First he preached in Sarnath to the 5 Brahmins. Next one. Number 6. Buddha denied God and soul and gave importance to karmaism. Karmaism means we have to focus, we have to do good, we have to think about the other people, do good for the people, do good for the welfare of the people. Karma, the principle of karma, the principle of good work, the principle of deeds, it's the main thing for your life according to Buddha. Number 7. The name of Gautam Buddha's mother was Maya Devi. Very easy to understand. Number 8. We obtain a lot of information about Buddhism from Tripitaka. Tripitak means 3 things. 3 books are there that you have told me at that time. And it is also there in our chapter number 5 on the front page. On the first page of the beginning of chapter number 9. There are total 24 Tirthankars in Jainism. Number 10. There are total of 4 spheres. Lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and that you have to discuss. 4 spheres of the earth. Number 11. Only the earth has the temperature, water and air favorable to living organism in the solar system. Next one is litho means rock or soil. You can, both answer are correct, true. Next one, the earth was in fireball state at the time of its origin, that we have discussed. Number 14. As the lithosphere is made of rocks and solid matters, it is also known as rock sphere or the solid spheres. You can see that lithosphere is made of rocks and solid matter, that we have discussed, and that is why it is known as rock sphere or the solid spheres. Okay. The next question that we are going to discuss is match the pair. Okay. Question number 1B. So you have to write down, section A will be there, B will be there, and you have to connect it the city of Gautam Buddha, it is there. Okay, so I am going to connect it right now. On your screen you can see that. Okay, the city of Gautam Buddha, and the answer is 4, Kapil Vastu. The place, second one is the place where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment, and just we have discussed Bodhi Gaya under the people tree and place, and it was the day of Vaishakhi Purnima, and under the people tree he attained enlightenment. So the answer is 1, Bodhi Gaya. Third, the place where Gautam Buddha got salvation, Mukti, Nirvana, and the answer is 2, Kushinara. Yeah, okay, just write it down. Fourth, the place where Gautam Buddha preached his first sermon, and the answer is that we have just discussed, Sarnath. Okay, so just focus on all these answers. It will help you, my dear students. Okay, second, that we are going to discuss now. Second section, again there will be 4. Okay, so the birthplace of Mahavir Swami is first one, and the answer is Kundagram. Kundagram. The text of Jainism, it is known as, answer is Agam text, the scriptures, very easy to understand. Third one, the place where Mahavir Swami got salvation, it is there, number 3, 2, it is on Kushinara. Okay, then fourth one, the sermons of Mahavir Swami, known as the doctrine of the Three Ratna. Please do remember all these question and answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have discussed in this present offline video about about 2 mark question. Then we have just discussed match the pairs from chapter number 5 and 6, and we have also revised on the fill in the blanks. Dear students, I hope this revision will help you to study well, focus well, and through this very easy system in smart way that you are learning at home right now. Just write it down, all the question answer in your notebook. Okay, and write properly. Your answers should be clear, neat and clean. It should be comprehended. Okay, so in this present offline class, if you have any doubt, any queries, any difficulties, just call me or message me, and I will try my best to solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Best of luck to all. Bye.